I like to be the eye of the storm, you know, the calm within all the crazy. Hey, how you doing? My name is Asiel Hardison. I'm here with Desire Company. I'm a dancer choreographer, and something that I always must start my day off with, whether it's like rehearsal or studio work, is this smudge stick. It's a Palo Santo smudge stick that I get from this store called House of Intuition here in Los Angeles. A smudge stick is something that burns just a little bit, and then you'll get a smoke from it because the fire will go out, and the smoke will create this aroma. And the aroma is kind of like aromatherapy, calms your spirit, soothes your spirit. The Palo Santo, it's very grounding. In the hustle and bustle of our entertainment industry, stuff is always moving fast, stuff is always on a go. Light it, I smudge my aura. Sometimes I light it and I let it smoke around the room so that we can just kind of get everyone grounded, everyone in a nice meditative state, and we can all do our job within the whole like storm that's going on. You always got to start off with great energy, so this gets the job done.